greetings and meeting people.
Hey, good to see you. Good to see you.
How have you been? How have you been?
Nice to meet you. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you. I'm Sarah.
Good morning. Beautiful day, isn't it? Good morning. Beautiful day, isn't it?
Oh, wow. Long time no see. Long time no see.
How's everything going? How's everything going?
Please have a seat. Please have a seat.
Let me introduce myself. Let me introduce myself.
Asking and giving information.
Excuse me, where is the nearest cafe? Excuse me, where is the nearest cafe?
Cafe. It's just around the corner. It's just around the corner.
What do you recommend? What do you recommend?
I think this one is really good. I think this one is really good.
Could you help me with this, please? Could you help me with this, please?
What is this called in English? What is this called in English?
Can you say that again, please? Can you say that again, please?
I mean, it's quite simple, actually. It's quite simple, actually.
Shopping and ordering.
I'll take 2 of those, please. I'll take 2 of those, please.
Do you have this in a different color? Do you have this in a different color?
Excuse me, where can I find the bread? Excuse me, where can I find the bread?
I'd like the soup and salad, please. I'd like the soup and salad, please.
How much does that cost? How much does that cost?
Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card?
Excuse me, I didn't order this. Excuse me, I didn't order this.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
At work and study.
Let's get started, shall we? Let's get started, shall we?
I have a great idea for this. I have a great idea for this.
Can you check this for me? Can you check this for me?
I think the answer is yes. I think the answer is yes.
How was your weekend? How was your weekend?
Are you free after work today? Are you free after work today?
I need to focus right now. I need to focus right now.
That's it for today. Good job.
Feelings and reactions.
This is really delicious. Wow, this is really delicious.
I feel so relaxed right now. I feel so relaxed right now.
I'm so tired today. I'm so tired today.
I'm really looking forward to this.
I'm really sorry about that. I'm really sorry about that.
What a beautiful day! What a beautiful day!
Today was a really good day. Today was a really good day.
Helping and requests.
Let me help you with that. Let me help you with that.
Could I borrow a pen, please? Could I borrow a pen, please?
Don't worry, I can show you how. Don't worry, I can show you how.
Can you pass me the salt, please? Can you pass me the salt, please?
Take your time, there's no rush. Take your time, there's no rush.
Here you go. I hope it helped.
Can I help? Are you looking for something? Can I help?
Thank you so much for your help. Thank you so much for your help.
Phone and daily communication.
Hello? Who's calling, please? Hello? Who's calling, please?
I'll call you back in 10 minutes. I'll call you back in 10 minutes.
Good morning. Just checking in on you. Good morning. Just checking in on you.
I'll be there in 5 minutes. I'll be there in 5 minutes.
It's so nice to see your face. It's so nice to see your face.
Just so you know, the meeting is at 3. Just so you know, the meeting is at 3.
That's so funny. Tell me more. That's so funny.
All right, talk to you soon.
Saying goodbye and ending.
It was so lovely to see you, Kiyu. It was so lovely to see you.
See you tomorrow. Have a good evening.
Have a good evening. What a great day it's been. What a great day it's been.
Good night. See you next time. See you next time. Good night. See you next time.